हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम सुनील रंजन है और मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ। अभी मैं आपके लिए फ्लेमिंगो बुक में जो पोएम है कीपिंग क्वाइट, यह पाब्लो नेरुदा की लिखी कविता है, उसका मैं एमसीक्यू लेकर आया हूँ। तो मैं प्रारंभ करता हूँ और क्वेश्चन के बाद मैं आपको आंसर बताता चलूँगा। तो यही आंसर आपको याद रहेगा और आप एग्ज़ाम देंगे तो आप उसी जवाब को टिक कर देंगे और आपको सफलता मिलेगी। तो मैं प्रारंभ करता हूँ। नंबर 1, इन विच पोएम डज द राइटर से टू काउंट टू 12 एंड बी साइलेंट एंड स्टिल? द आंसर इज कीपिंग क्वाइट। नंबर 2, हु इज द राइटर ऑफ द पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट? द आंसर इज पाब्लो नेरुदा। Number 3, when was Pablo Neruda born? The answer is 1904. Number 4, to which country did Pablo Neruda belong? The answer is Chile. Number 5, when did Pablo Neruda get the Nobel Prize for Literature? The answer is 1971. Number 6, what does the writer Pablo Neruda ask in his poem Keeping Quiet? The answer is to be silent and still until he counts up to 12. Number 7, what does the writer Pablo Neruda call exotic moment? The answer is when there will be complete silence. Number 8, when will all be together according to the poet Pablo Neruda in his poem Keeping Quiet? The answer is when all will be silent and still. Number 9, what will be the effect of silence on fishermen? The answer is they will not harm whales. Number 10, who would look at his hurt hands when everything will be silent and still according to the poet Pablo Neruda? The answer is the man gathering salt at sea. Number 11, what does greenwash mean according to Pablo Neruda? The answer is damage to the environment and nature. Number 12, what would men do when there is no war in the poem Keeping Quiet? The answer is they would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. Number 13, where would men walk in the poem Keeping Quiet? The answer is in the shade. Number 14, life is what is about. Life is what it is about. Where is this line taken from? The answer is from the poem Keeping Quiet. Number 15, I want no truck with death. Where is this line taken from? The answer is from the poem Keeping Quiet. Number 16, what does the earth teach mankind in the poem Keeping Quiet? The answer is anything that seems dead later proves to be alive. And finally, number 17, in which poem does the writer say that he will count up to 12 and leave? The answer is Keeping Quiet. तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पर यह MCQ सेशन समाप्त होता है और यदि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है तो थैंक यू वेरी मच। यदि आपने नहीं किया है और यदि आप करेंगे तो मैं वादा करता हूँ कि आपके लिए मैं समय समय पर अच्छे और क्वालिटी वीडियोस बनाकर लाता रहूँगा। थैंक यू।